Welcome back, you guys. I'm your host, as always, Raymondo, and today we're going to continue on with some Super Mario Maker 2. Last time, we were doing pretty damn good. As you can tell, we made it up to level 20. So hopefully we can continue improving. So, without further ado, let's begin. Hopefully we can continue climbing. I do hope so. Let's see what we can do. Again, I'm in a different location, so commentary will be very light, if not at all. So, as always, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. I really and greatly appreciate it very much. Thank you, guys. Oh, get me! I must have Yoshi! Oh, Yoshi boy! Yoshi! Nope. I really don't need him, but... there's always a but. What? You ass. Why'd you go that way? Fool! Oh. Okay. Okay. Still not happy that I lost my mushroom, but here we are. Wait! I wanted to see what was in that damn thing. What? Is there anything good in here? Yes, there is. I must have it. Yeah, buddy. Cool. Alright, cool. Oh, come on, man. You can make it up there. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, come on, man. God, come on, man. I'm not gonna waste my time on that shit. Alright, what do you got? This one Goomba? Where is this one Goomba? I'm guessing something's over here. I can't quite put my finger on it, but something tells me it's around here somewhere. Yeah, there you go, buddy.
Tickle.
I see you.